Howdy, partners. Ray Benson from Asleep at the Wheel here. It's time to get back in the saddle of air travel, and the high-flying folks here at Austin Bergstrom International Airport are happy to welcome you all back with a few tips to make traveling through our airport as smooth as a horned toad's belly. Now, with all our crazy Texas weather, before heading out to the airport, be sure to check on your flight status. To keep ahead of the stampede, make sure you mosey on out here at least 2 to 2.5 hours before your flight. If you're checking luggage or returning a rental car, go on ahead and give yourself a little extra time. And don't forget to mask up in the airport and on your plane. That's the law, hombre. If it's been a while since your last visit, you can now use your phone to find your way around with our new digital map. You can skip the airline check-in line by downloading and using a mobile boarding pass. Make sure your rucksack is packed the right way. If you're not sure what you can and can't bring through security, visit TSA.gov. So, once you visited our good friends at the TSA, it's now time to sit back and relax with your favorite Austin Vittles and live music. And that's all she wrote, Saddle Pals. For everyone here at AUS, remember these tips and have a great trip. See y'all soon.